Welcome to Leo, your engineering copilot. Design better products faster, with confidence, by leveraging your organizational data with trusted industry knowledge. Get answers to technical questions backed by over 1 million trusted engineering sources. Click any reference and Leo takes you straight to the exact page. No more scrolling through PDFs. Solve mathematical problems. Just describe the problem and Leo will find the right formulas from trusted sources and solve them step by step accurately with full transparency. Find components. Describe what the part looks like, what it does, even its size or price. Using text or a photo from your computer or phone, Leo searches online catalogs, your local files, and your PDM to find the best match and allow you to maximize part reuse. Brainstorm ideas. Visualize your ideas and brainstorm new ones collaboratively. Cut weeks of back and forth into minutes with on-demand 3D concepts, summaries, and SOWs. Unlock your data and industry knowledge to make faster decisions with confidence. Welcome to the era of AI-powered engineering. You bring the vision, Leo does the rest.